Hello everyone, my name is Deborah and I am the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. So I've been doing quite a bit with my various crochet projects, but I have not actually displayed anything. So I thought it'd be a good way to reintroduce myself to you by doing a small project on YouTube. What I'm going to do here is I created this pattern here, as you can see. It is made with impeccable yarn. This is soft taupe and this is called claret. So I'm just going to do the edging for this, and then I'm going to make this pattern available after I sample it one more time. Get a few testers in here to sample it to make sure that it is accurate, and then I'm going to upload this pattern onto my Etsy shop at Taylor's Yarn Creations. So I'm going to take some of the claret. I decided to go ahead and put it into this ball here because what I found is that if you don't put it into a ball, it will knot up on you and you will have all kinds of yarn barf. To begin, I'm going to use an H hook. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure I can see it in the lens. H hook 5mm. It is the same size hook that I've used for this actual piece, this coaster right here. So I'm going to just basically take it and I'm going to create a slip knot. A simple slip knot. And a slip knot is designed so that you can easily take it out or put it back in without actually creating a knot. It is called a slip knot. I'm leaving just a little bit of the edge here so that I can weave it in at the end. So I'm going to put my hook on here. I hope you can see everything good. And I'm going to just grab the edge of this corner. And I'm doing the edging for this project. And I'm going to grab my working yarn. The working yarn is the yarn that is tied to the ball itself. And I'm going to just basically do a simple crochet. I'm going bringing it through to join it, and I'm going to probably take this yarn here and work it into the yarn itself. So I'm doing a simple single crochet stitch around, and then I'm going to skip chain one, skip this stitch, and just do it all the way around. Chain one, skip this stitch, and then go in and just create a little edging for this coaster. I have one that I call a mug rug also, but this can be a mug rug. This is a mug rug, coaster, however you decide to call it. Chain one, I skip the next one. Just do a simple single crochet, and as you can see, it's bringing a nice beautiful edging to it, while at the same time I'm grabbing the yarn on the back, and I'm going to just leave that part so I can weave it in. Skip this part, single crochet, and then I'm going to skip one. But as opposed to skipping this, I'm going to do 2 single crochets in the corner. I can get my hook in there. And I'm not skipping. I'm not going to do a chain in the corner. I'm just going to single crochet into that corner, and then I will chain one and continue around. Now at the top of the edge here, it's easier than when you do the sides. The sides don't really give you the nice finish that the top and the bottom will give you, but I'm going to do this all the way around, and this is my project for today that I'm doing to just show you how I'm doing a simple edge crochet. There may be times when I may go live and do this, but this is my project to complete, and I thought I would just bring you in on this so that you can see how I am working my edge. I'm not going through one. I'm skipping this one and I'm going through both edges, both chains, I should say, to create my edging. And this makes the lettering inside this tapestry crochet really pop and look even more beautiful. This crochet pattern will be available at Taylor's Yarn Creations in my Etsy shop. And I'm also working to build out my website. You know, the website, I've been a little bit negligent on it, but I'm going to get back into the building out of the website and putting my projects in multiple places. I'm also on Pinterest, believe it or not. So as you can see, I'm at the edge. It works perfectly. I'm going to go here into this edge here. Try to see if I can get my hook in there. And I'm going to do 2 single crochets without doing a space in between. And then when I get to that edge, I'll do a single crochet and then I'll finish it around. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. As you can see, it is turning out really nicely. And this is my project for today. I will finish this up and then I will try to get my pattern out to you after one more test. You can enjoy this. Until next time, this is Deborah and I am the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations.